Greetings! With this video, we want to help you to share files and publish them via a URL. These published files are of course end-to-end encrypted with the TeamDrive guarantee. In order to publish your files and provide a download link, navigate to your file via the Windows Explorer or your TeamDrive client. First, start TeamDrive. Open the Explorer and navigate to Documents and then to your Spaces. Inside your Spaces, find the correct folder and select the file that you wish to share and publish. Right-click it and hit Publish. Thereupon, the TeamDrive client will open and the published file will be displayed. Of course, you can navigate inside the TeamDrive client directly, pick your file of choice, click the information symbol and publish it there. Once you selected the Publish button, you can set up the duration of availability and set a password if you wish. If you are satisfied with your settings, hit Publish. The button Share URL copies the download link directly into your clipboard. Via Ctrl-V, you can paste the URL anywhere you wish, for example, a private email with our TeamDrive Outlook plugin. If you realize that you don't want to publish this file within the same workflow, you can hit Unpublish straight away to stop the upload to the download page immediately. After you have published your file and no longer require keeping the file available online, just hit the Unpublish All Versions button to deactivate the download link permanently. If the URL is accessed, the user will be directed to a download page. If necessary, a password is required. If not, the download starts automatically. If you wish to customize this download page, you can access the admin console to customize an HTML footer. For this, you must already own an active license. If you select your account, you can either upload your own HTML file or paste the source code directly into the text field. For more information, we would recommend watching the video regarding the customizable HTMLs.